If you're looking for ways to maintain the reliability of your vehicle, taking care of your battery is always a good decision, since it supplies the power needed to start and run your vehicle. Keeping your battery terminals clean and the electric connections tight can prevent premature wear and corrosion, which is usually indicated by a powdery white substance that sticks to the terminals. Corroded terminals can be cleaned using a wire brush and water, but seeking the advice of a certified technician is always the best option. Batteries contain sulfuric acid, which can irritate the skin and may even cause severe burns, so be sure to handle cleaning with care. All batteries wear out over time, so if your vehicle takes a while to start or doesn't start at all, come into our state-of-the-art service center and let one of our certified service technicians test your battery. We'll help you to determine if your battery needs recharging or replacing, and we can provide a full diagnosis of your vehicle to prevent future breakdowns. Visit us online or come in today for more information.